Lily's Candyland Adventure. Once upon a time, in the whimsical town of Sparkleville, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily had the most magical pair of shoes that could take her on incredible adventures. One sunny day, as Lily skipped through the enchanted forest, her shoes began to glow with a soft, shimmering light. They led her to a hidden doorway in an ancient oak tree. Lily hesitated, but decided to open it. To her surprise, she found herself in a land filled with talking animals and flying candy. The animals, led by a wise old owl named Oliver, needed Lily's help. The sweetness crystal, the source of all the candy magic, had lost its sparkle. With a twinkle in her eye, Lily set off on a quest with her newfound animal friends. They encountered chocolate rivers, marshmallow clouds, and gumdrop hills. Along the way, they overcame challenges and made new friends like Coco the candy bunny and Bubbles the bubblegum butterfly. As they reached the heart of Candyland, Lily discovered the secret to restoring the sweetness crystal's sparkle, the power of kindness. With a heartfelt gesture, she shared her last piece of candy with a sad little jelly bean, and suddenly, the crystal glowed brighter than ever. Lily's magical shoes brought her back home, leaving Candyland behind. The animals waved goodbye, grateful for Lily's kindness. From that day on, whenever Lily wore her magical shoes, she was reminded that a little kindness could make the world sparkle. And so, in the cozy town of Sparkleville, Lily's adventures continued, filled with joy, friendship, and the magic of a kind heart.